Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Math Tanong. In this video, pag-uusapan natin ang viral question na 8 divided by 2 times the sum of 2 plus 2. Ano nga ba ang tamang sagot? So in this video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ba ang tamang sagot or i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano bang nangyayari sa magiging sagot natin or magiging accepted pa yung sagot. So I hope we're open to learn in this topic, and without wasting any time, let's move on to that equation. So again, let's have this equation. 8 divided by 2 times the sum of 2 plus 2. So again, para sagutin yung sagot na yan, we're going to follow the rule of PEMDAS. So i-discuss muna natin ng konti ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng PEMDAS. So P stands for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication or division, addition or subtraction. So ibig sabihin yan, we're going to do all the equation inside the parenthesis. And then we're going to do the exponent. Ubusin muna natin yan sila lahat, and then hanggang sa maiwan na lang yung multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, from left to right, we're going to do first the multiplication or division. Ibig sabihin, alin man ang nauuna sa kanila. It doesn't mean na nauna si M ay palagi ng multiplication. So again, it's multiplication or division, alin man ang nauuna from left to right. So uubusin natin lahat yan sila. Then after na maubos si multiplication siya kasi division, that would be the time we're going to do the addition or subtraction. Ganun din. Alin man ang nauuna from left to right. So that is all about PEMDAS rules. Now, let's move on to our equation. 8 divided by 2 times the sum of 2 plus 2. So again, we're going to do the parenthesis first, which is 2 plus 2. So the answer gives us 4. Now, it gives us this equation, 8 divided by 2 times 4. So sabi dito sa MDAS, ang uunahin natin is MD, which comes first. So alin ba ang nauunang operation? Multiplication or division? Yes, tama, division. That's why ang uunahin natin ay division. Sir, sabi sa rules, multiplication, division. Sabi ko nga kanina, multiplication or division which comes first from left to right. Since nauna sa division, we're going to divide first. So 8 divided by 2, that gives us 4. Then, eto na lang ang natira. 4 and 4. So what are we going to do with 4 and 4? Yes, we're going to multiply. Ang tanong, bakit tayo magmumultiply? Ang madalas nating sasabihin dyan, it's because, sir, parenthesis means multiplication. Does the parenthesis means multiplication ba talaga? Always remember that multiplication is a grouping symbol in math. Bakit, sir, na tayo magmumultiply kung hindi pala multiplication symbol si parenthesis? Actually, we're going to multiply. But, we're going to multiply under the rule of multiplication by juxtaposition. So, ito kasi yung hindi masyadong na-explain sa atin, why are we going to multiply 4 and 4 because of the parenthesis? So, juxtaposition says that we're going to multiply two things that are adjacent to each other or that is placed side by side to each other instead of putting multiplication symbol. Ibig sabihin, instead na magmumultiply tayo using the multiplication table, ginagawa ng mga mathematician is they put two things together side by side to show a multiplication process. Sa juxtaposition says, multiplying by just putting things next to each other rather than using the multiplication symbol. That's the reason why we are going to multiply 4 and 4, not because of the parenthesis symbol, but because of the multiplication by juxtaposition rule. So, hope na naging malinaw siya at naunawaan natin kung bakit multiply tayo. So, since we need to multiply kasi magkatabi yung dalawang value, then 4 times 4, that will give us 16. So, the answer for that equation is 16. But again, yung iba, may ibang equation na ginagawa. Pero sabi ko, as long as madedefend mo yung explanation mo based sa existing rules na given sa math, then maybe pwede nating pag-aralan and we can accept your answer. So, ganun lang po yun. So, let's try to solve this equation in other way. Ngayon, so sabi PEMDAS, so pasok pa rin si 2 plus 2 kasi nga parenthesis, whatever inside the parenthesis should be done first. So 2 plus 2, that will gives us 4. And then, bring down natin yung natira, 8 divided by 2 times 4. So ngayon, ang uunahin natin dito is si 2 times 4. Bakit? Yun yung question natin. Yes, we can do 2 times 4 first, pero nakadepende yan sa kung anong magiging reason mo. Kapag ang nagiging reason mo, bakit natin gagawin si 2 times 4 first, it's because sasabihin mo, sir, kasi parenthesis should be done first. At si 4 naka-parenthesis. Always remember na ang sabi ko kanina, ang rules nagsasabi, whatever inside the parenthesis should be done first. So, wala naman tayong equation sa loob ng parenthesis, which is 4. We use parenthesis dito para i-group natin si 4 to separate from 2. So, hindi pasok yung reason natin na yon. Mali yon. Now, ang susunod na reason kung bakit tayo nag-multiply ng 2 times 4, it's because sasabihin ng iba, kasi sir, MDAS rules. So, MD, nauna po si multiplication. So, that's why we have to multiply. Again, always remember that the rule MD, multiplication or division, whatever or which come first from left to right, should be done first. Among the two operation, mas nauna si division. So, dapat lang na si division yung uunahin natin. So, ang tanong ngayon, bakit ko minultiply si 2 times 4? And what is our reason bakit natin i-multiply si 2 times 4 first? Again, it's all because of the multiplication by juxtaposition. Magpo-fall down siya sa rule na yun. And ang rule ng juxtaposition, it also says that juxtaposed value must be multiplied together before processing other operation. So dito tayo magkakaroon ng ibang sagot. Kasi under sa juxtaposition rule, juxtaposed value must multiply together before processing other value. Si 2 and 4 are next to each other. So they are juxtaposed number. That's why we can do that process. May na-violate ba tayo ng rules sa PEMDAS? Wala. Bakit? Wala namang operation in between 2 and 4. Pag meron yung multiplication pag mayroong multiplication dyan, then let's do the division. But then, we're just going to follow the rule in multiplication by juxtaposition. That's why we're going to do 2 times 4 first. So, 2 times 4, that gives us 8. And then, let's divide 8 divided by 8, that gives us 1. So, the answer is 1. So, that's how are we going to support this second equation. It falls under the multiplication by juxtaposition. So, alin ba sir ang tamang sagot? Kung ako ang tatanungin sa tamang sagot, actually si 1 is accepted naman. So again, sabi ko, as long as nasusupport natin sa tamang rule under sa math, at valid naman ng rule natin, sa explanation natin, we can accept the answer and together, let's learn. Pero kapag ang sinagot mo sa akin, dahil sa rule ng parenthesis, kaya mo inuna si multiplication, or dahil sa rule ng multiplication, kaya inuna mo si multiplication, then hindi siya pumasok sa rule natin. So, hindi ko matatanggap yung sagot. Pero yung sagot natin na 16, yan yung a-accept natin kasi yun na yung ginagamit natin until now, ang tamang pagsunod ng rule ng PEMDAS. Ito kasing rule ng juxtaposition or juxtaposed number, until ngayon is dinidebate pa yan ng mga taong medyo mabusisi sa math. So, again, 16 is the answer, 1 is acceptable, kasi valid din naman yung reason ng juxtapose. So, again, yun na yung alam ko na explanation sa viral na math problem na to. So again, ginawa ko tong video na to hindi para lituhin kayo, but para ma-explain natin kung ano ba ang pinanggagalingan ng 16 answer at ano ba ang pinanggagalingan na 1 na answer. So, I guess, that's all for today, and maraming salamat sa panonood, and see you in my next video. God bless.